What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video, and today we're gonna find out who's the winner for the Michael Jordan Mitchell&ness jersey. Now I would like to thank everybody who entered into this giveaway, and unfortunately there's only going to be one of you that's going to walk away with this item. However, we're very close to 20,000 views. We'll probably hit it this upcoming week. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning a second giveaway, and it's going to have another Michael Jordan jersey, and then there's going to be a second item as well. So keep an eye out for that giveaway coming up in another week or two. Now I just have to drop some disclaimers for this giveaway. In no way, shape, or form does YouTube have anything to do with this giveaway. This is just me giving away a personal item, and there's no money value or anything like that. It was totally free to get in, and this item will be shipped to that person for free at no charge. So how I'm going to go about deciding on who wins this item is I'm going to take everybody's screen name who entered into it, and I'm going to put it into a randomizer, and I'll be showing you guys how I'm doing it every step of the way, and at the end we will know who wins this item. So let's get into it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the comment section of the video for the giveaway, and I'm going to copy and paste everybody's screen name who entered into this website called random.org. So just bear with me for a little while. This may take a minute. There was a lot of entries, so let's get into it. Alright, so I got everybody's screen name put into random.org. So how this is going to work is, since I'm giving away a Michael Jordan jersey and he wears number 23, I'm going to combine those numbers and we're going to randomize this list 5 times. The screen name at the top after the 5th time will be the winner. Alright, so now I'm going to switch cameras and we're going to do the random. Good luck to everybody, and thank you for getting into the giveaway. Alright guys, so here's the list. Here's everybody who got in. I'm just scrolling down. All right, so randomize it 5 times. Here we go. There's 1. 2, 3, 4. All right, this is the 5th and final time, guys. Here we go. The person at the top will win the jersey. And here you go. Mealy, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, but you can go ahead and throw me a DM on Instagram, and if you don't have Instagram, comment your email address, and I will make arrangements to ship this jersey out to you. Congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. So congratulations to Millie. I really hope I'm saying your name right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But yeah, please send me that DM on Instagram, or get me an email address so that we can communicate, so that I could get your information so I can send this out to you. Now guys, thank you so much for getting into this giveaway. This is my first ever giveaway. I'm planning on doing another one, just like I said at the beginning in this video. So guys, just keep a lookout for that. There's going to be 2 items for this one for the next time. I don't know if I'm going to do it the same exact way as this, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe give me your feedback. Do you like this way? Do you want me to just randomly select people? Just, you know, give me your input. What do you want to see? But I appreciate all you guys, you know, rocking out with the channel. I can't do this without you guys, and it means a lot to me. So thank you, everybody. And until next video, peace.